नसल्ली अला रसूलिही अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. Dear student, assalamu alaikum. Today is the 5th day of the Eid. So we want to discuss social change. What means social change? And what factors are responsible for social change? There are so many factors which affect the social change. Social change is the dependent variable and other factors are the independent variable. Social change, a change in social structure of society is called social change. And there are so many variables. Among these variables, the well-known variables are the education. If you give education to the community through this way, they affect the social change of the population, of the society, of the whole area. If you make a road there, through this way also, they affect the social change of the population. If you increase the income level of agriculture sector, through this way also, a change occurs in the social society. If you like, there is the boundary, and near the boundary there are developed countries, so they also affect the social change of that society. If they are developing country or developed country, but this is also the fact. And sometimes we go outside the country and we work, brain rent इसको हम कहते हैं, तो उसके थ्रू भी सोशल चेंज आता है. The people go outside to America, UK, as well as to India or China, and through this way what happened? They earn the money and they send the remittances to their family. Because of this, there are some changes occur. There are change occur in social structure of his house. Because before, if they have no money, so they have made a house from consumer. But now the money reached there from foreign area, so they construct the house, they make the building, and they use the cement or other thing. But there are also some changes occur. For example, in England or UK, they when eat the food, they do the lunch or other things. So they bring these technique and methodology to their home. So this type of mission also start in their house. So the change occur in the house people, in the house society. Before they were very simple, but now when they go to other countries and they earn the money, on the other side there is a road, and you make the road, so you connected mostly with the city, and so you go here and there, and you bring some method of the city to your area, and then you adapt that methodology. Already you have studied the diffusion. From higher concentration, they go to lower concentration. If there is some methodology being used in the city. So when they go there, so they start these methodologies at their home. So therefore it is necessary for you. If agriculture production increasing, there are agriculture departments in rural area and they conduct the duty and they want how to increase the productivity of agriculture. There is agriculture university and the students conduct the research and find some methodology and they want how to increase the productivity of agriculture, because without food, the survival of life on this land is and this is the duty of every Muslim. This is the duty of every member of the nation. When they get up early in the morning, they check what to do. If they are staying and they do the rest and they will do some work. Through that's why the country position going and downing. Why? And because of this, there the bank reserve of the country also affected because rural area and urban area they depend on one another. And rural area there the big industry agriculture is working. So this big industry creates a change in the social structure of society. You have also observed there are so many before in a Yukon era. There were no variety and no fertilizer. When a Yukon come and they provide urea and mixed variety to the community of farming. So through this way they increase the production. Before the production was 5 or 10 months, but now they reach to 20 or 30 months per year. तो ये क्या है, ये भी मतलब है हमारे सेंटर्स जो एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी के हैं वो कम, अगर वो सही काम नहीं करेंगे, स्टूडेंट सही तैयार नहीं करेंगे और प्रैक्टिकल काम न हो तो वो कभी अपनी सोसाइटी जो रूरल एरिया है उसको डेवलप नहीं कर सकते। बिकॉज इन एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी द स्टूडेंट गेट द डिग्री, देयर इज पैथोलॉजी, देयर इज एग्रोनॉमी, देयर इज केमिस्ट्री and there is lead science and there also other departments, socio-economic department, agriculture extension department, statistic department, as well as economic department, agriculture economic department and rural development. These subjects link with all agriculture. If they conduct good research, through this way they will increase the productivity of agriculture and they also give some awareness to the people. For example, there is sociology, rural sociology. What does the rural sociology do? The rural sociology major objective is that how to develop the society of farming. If there the litigation have been started, so this is the duty of the rural sociology department to go there and give awareness to the farmer that when we start the litigation, through litigation, they spend the money in court or other areas. But litigation creates a problem and they make the dispute in the long run. What money which they earn, they spend on litigation and their other sector is automatically education and sometimes they fight with one another and they fire on one another and this way what happened? There the mishandling occurs. There the society going from development to upward side. तो इस मकसद के लिए तुम्हें सोचना है कि जिस एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी में हम हैं और हम जितने सब्जेक्ट को पढ़ते हैं तो इसका काम क्या है। इस काम को करने के लिए आपके पास मतलब क्या है, आप आते हैं क्लास लेते हैं, अभी आज लेके बहुत कम मतलब स्टूडेंट आए हुए हैं, तो इसका मतलब ये है कि वी नेवर डेवलप द पाकिस्तान एंड वी नेवर डेवलप द रूरल एरिया बिकॉज दिस एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी major objective is that how to increase the productivity of agriculture and this big industry nowadays are working in the rural area. If the student gets the degree, they go to rural area and they give some awareness to the farming community and in this way they provide new variety as well as they also identify some problem and they work on this how to control it. You have also knowledge into Marine department. There are some major insects which create problem, but some are beneficial. Sericulture. This is also the insect, but they give some sense to the community. So this is the duty of every agriculture student. In which department they are? They all are linked with one another. If they link with one another, and they coordinate with one another through this way, what happened? Very well, develop the rural area. The major thing which I have told to you, social change. तो पॉजिटिव सोशल चेंज वहाँ कम्युनिटी में आएगा, लोगों के कपड़े जो है वो माशाल्लाह क्या होंगे, अच्छे कपड़े वो पहनेंगे। इसके साथ साथ उसका फूड पैटर्न जो है वो चेंज हो जाएगा। पहले वो सादा खुराक खाते थे, आज माशाल्लाह वो गोश्त भी खाते हैं और इसके साथ साथ और भी खुराक यूज़ करते हैं। इसके साथ साथ जितना मैंने आपको पार्लियामेंटेंसीज की बात की, मैंने आपको एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्शन की बात की, और मैंने आपको रोड की बात की, और मैंने आपको एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशन की बात की। जितना वो डेवलप होगा, एजुकेशन आएगा, तो उसकी मदद से क्या होगा, सोशल चेंज का जो स्ट्रक्चर है पॉजिटिवली वो चेंज हो जाएगा, और डेवलप कंट्री जिस तरह है तो उसी तरह उसका मतलब है शक्ल जो है वो भी मतलब है ठीक हो जाएगा। लेकिन आप लोगों को चाहिए सादा खुराक अगर आप खाते हैं तो उसका भी फायदा है, आपको सही खुराक मिलेगा, आप पेस्टिसाइड वगैरह मतलब है अप्लाई नहीं करेंगे, और उसका आखिरी रिजल्ट क्या होगा, उसका आखिरी रिजल्ट ये होगा कि आपकी सेहत अच्छी होगी, और सेहत जब अच्छी होगी, ब्लड प्रेशर ना हो या कोई और मतलब मसला आपको ना हो, तो फिर यू विल डिसाइड वेरी वेल, यू विल प्लान वेरी वेल फॉर योर फैमिली एंड फॉर the nation. So these are the few points I have told to you. I have shown the model. For example, there are so many variables which link with the social change. There is education, there is road, there is agriculture production, as well as there are other factors, foreign remittances, that our people go to our other area because their employment chances in Pakistan is less, and because of this, the people go to UK, the people go to Dubai and other area, and they work and they send the remittances. And nowadays you have also listened about this situation that we mostly depend on remittances. But this is also not a good news, because our talented people, they work in another country, and in our country they not conduct any duty, and because of this our economy day by day going downward. So this is the government. I suggest to the government, I advise to the government, and recommend to the government that they provide jobs to the students who get the degree from agriculture university, and they perform the work for their country, not for other country, because to brand the people go outside, and there also the security situation is also not good. So this is the government duty to give suggestion to the judiciary, as well as to police department, as well as to other department, to perform very well, and in this way they provide peace to the community, because these are the push factors. Through these push factors they go to outside, and when they go to outside, so the not do the work in Pakistan, and they work for other country, and only they send the notes and other structure of the country where we produce the employment, they are less. So these were my final words which I have today explained to you, that what type of factor link with the social change of society, and there are so many cases many have defined here. Now I conclude my lecture, but you will also transfer and you share this lecture with other students, because they also know how to we develop the country, how we develop the rural area. So there are the key figures are farming communities. So if the government gives support price as well as subsidized price on imports, and they provide मतलब है सही जो सही मटेरियल है अपने क्राफ्ट को अगर वो अप्लाई करेंगे तो उसके थ्रू हम प्रोडक्शन को इंक्रीज करेंगे, और उसका इनकम जब बढ़ जाएगा तो अपने बच्चों को मतलब क्या करेगा, फार्म में मतलब भेजेगा, या सही काम के लिए, या उसको एजुकेशन दिलवाएगा, घर भी बनाएगा। तो ऐसे ग्रेजुअली हमारा मर्ग भी डेवलप होगा, अर्बन एरिया में भी उसका इफेक्ट होगा, क्योंकि आप लोगों को पता है कि हमारे भी केन इंडस्ट्री है, वो ज़मींदार शुगर प्रोड्यूस करते हैं रूरल एरिया में, और वहाँ वो सिटी में उन्होंने मिल बनाए हैं, और उस मिल के थ्रू they get the output and export to other country of the world, and they earn some money from export, and then they use for the development of Pakistan. Wassalam.